na lang, kung ngayon daw yung botohan for Senate presidency, panalo na si SP Cheese, he has more than 13 or more than majority votes. Kasama po kayo dun sa more than 13 supporting him?
Pinakaunang litrato dun sa kaliwa, sabi niya sa majority raw kami, so sa majority tayo.
Kapatid niya?
si Rafi. Sabi ni Senator Rafi, majority tayo. Sabi ko, okay. Kasi usually majority, may mga inuutos ang sa taas na tulungan ng administrasyon para wala ng kontra. Sa majority tayo, di ba? I mean, I'm with Alianza, so expected who you na I will be in the majority.
But are you with SP Cheese? Are you supporting him to be still the SP, sir?
Kung yun ang sa majority, then what I heard kanina umaga yata, si Senator Soto, sabi niya, willing siya maging nasa minority siya. Parang is he accepting that? I'm gonna ask you those questions. Wala ako dito, but then somebody told me na Sen Soto raw said na he's willing to be in the minority. So does it mean to say he has accepted that fact na sa minority siya, na he will not be the Senate President?
So, sir, have you thrown your support to any of them, SP Cheese and Senator Soto?
I said, I'll be in the majority. Di ba, usually, yung majority is yun na doon na kinukuha yung Senate presidency.
So, sir?
She's Escudero, sir.
I'll be in the majority. So, definitely, yeah. Okay, let me be straight with you. Like I said before in the interview, may mga bagay na gusto ko kay Senator Cheese. Meron ding mga bagay na when Senator Soto asked me and during the campaign, may mga sinasabi siya na I liked also. Pero weighing things and talking to my brother said, let's go for the majority kasi maraming mga gusto ang Pangulo na dinadaan sa majority at hindi ko makontra majority. So I guess we'll go with the majority.
Sir, kung sa majority kayo, may na-request na kayo ng mga committee na gusto niyong hawakan at naibigay ba sa inyo, na i-promise sa inyo na ibibigay?
Wala pa kami, di pa kami nag-usap ni Senator Cheese. Pinarating ko sa brother ko na, sige, sabi ko, I'll go with the majority. Of me and my brother spoke, I think 2 days ago, over the phone. Wala pa naman. My brother asked me, anong gusto mong kung sakasakali? Sabi ko, of course, sabi ko, mayroon akong experience sa social welfare. I guess you call it social justice dito and welfare. So I would love, it's in my wish list, number 1, social justice and welfare.
Senator, pasensya na makulit kami. Alam niyo naman yung trabaho natin, makulit. So, you and Senator Raffy Tulfo will be supporting Senate President Cheese.
I think that's it. Kasi we're in the majority. And sabi nga kanina yata ni Senator Villanueva, if I'm not mistaken, may number na, pati si Senator Alan Peter, a few days ago, may number na sa 13 na. I guess kasama na ako doon sa 13 na sinasabi niya, or more than 13.
Kasama kayo ni Sen. Raffy?
Senator, sa impeachment, may we know where you stand? Kasi meron mga fears kasi na baka ulitin yung ni Senator Ronald De La Rosa or ng iba pang senator yung motion to dismiss. Papayag ba kayo na i-dismiss yung impeachment complaint kahit wala pang trial?
Let's leave it to the decision of the leadership. Leave it to the decision of the Senate President and the senior leadership. Kasi if I will tell you now kung anong gusto ko, because it will really taint something. It will tell you something. If I will say I want it dismissed, then it will tell you na pro-impeachment ito. If I will say pag i-dismiss, then anti-impeachment ito. If I say na wag i-dismiss, sabihin nila hindi sa impeachment ito. And I'll be a senator judge, di ba? It's hard to say right now na gusto ko ma-dismiss. It's already telegraphing my decisions in the future if I say dismiss or not to dismiss, di ba? I want to see the documents. I want to see the pieces of evidence. If there's enough, ako simple lang naman You show me the piece of evidence. Kahit bukas, bigyan mo ako ng papel na isinubmit or pag-submit sa Senado, mabigyan kami ng kopya. I can tell you right away, you ask me. And I will say, sige, wag natin i-dismiss, ilaban natin ito. Pero kung wala naman talagang laman yung papel, kahit na gaano kapal yan, pero wala namang laman, then I'll say, no, let's dismiss it because it will be a waste of time and money.